We found marine life on top of Mount Everest, meaning all of the biblical stories around Noah's Ark and the global flood is definitely true. I mean, even news broadcasts and news outlets put it on their newspapers, which means it has to be right. No, no, guys, it's not right. What's happening there is a misunderstanding of how our Earth works, how plate tectonics works, and why us finding fossils on top of the Earth's highest mountain actually proves that our plate tectonics theory and the way we know the Earth works. You see, our Earth is made of a series of plates which move across a very thin asthenosphere, or the top of the mantle, sort of like a floating raft, if you will. And it is the movement of these plates in relation to each other that form our rifts, where we have oceans form, but also our orogenical mounting belts. And most of the fossils that are found, so things like cephalopods, ammonites, trilobites, conodonts, and even some parts of fish, were all found in rocks from the Ordovician age, somewhere between 400 and 420 million years ago. Oh yeah, and Mount Everest didn't exist 420 million years ago. You see, when these fish were alive, the rocks that they're currently found in were under the ocean. And due to the movement of our plates through plate tectonics, we know that the Indian plate, which is what crashed into the Eurasian plate to form the Nepalese and the Himalayan range, moved away from Gondwana land around 130 million years ago. And as this drifted upwards, it collided with Eurasia, making the Himalayan range, which meant any fossils that were created during that process and that time were pushed up during this orogenesis event, which is a mountain building event. And Mount Everest isn't the only place in the world where we've seen marine life and fossils exist at high altitudes. We found evidence of whale fossils in the Andes. Just another example of orogenic belts being formed due to plate movements at convergent plate boundaries. So next time you're in a TikTok live debate and some idiot decides to say, oh, we found evidence of Noah's flood because we have fish on mountains, just explain why that happens. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, follow, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.